Hey there guys, how you doing today? Oh, damn people. Guy talking to himself over there. Yeah, anyway, look at the expression on the squirrel's face. He's looking like, okay, yeah. As you can see, just feeding everybody here, all my little friends, waffles. The squirrel, he's back again. And, blackbirds, sparrows, yeah, ton of birds. There's a squirrel again. Yeah, pretty cool. Let me know if you guys like these little nature videos here. Oh, that's the baby, I think. He's chasing after the older one, because the older one was feeding him before, but as you can see, he's still hungry. The older one's like, screw you, this is mine. And the sparrow right there, right on the, they'll actually come up to the window here sometimes. Bold little things. Must be a hungry little fella, huh? Hungry little guy. And look at that. Got the blackbird there again. More sparrows. You can see the size difference. That bird there. The baby. You can actually see his mouth open. If I can zoom in more with this camera, but I can't, unfortunately. Yeah, very loud bird. Okay, well. Bye-bye. Comment, rate, subscribe, guys. Let me know if you like these nature videos. I'll post more. Okay, bye.